So I want to give a big shout out to all the sinners, because Jannah is full of sinners, but those that repented. Jannah's not made for people that did absolutely nothing with their life and they made no mistakes. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, if there was a nation that did not commit any sins, He would destroy that nation in order to create a nation that sins and repents to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is Allah's words. So best believe, for the drug dealers and the sinners and the zanis, whoever it may be, you rappers and the guys that listen to music, the guys that are bunning, bro, today could be your day where you change your life completely.